Good morning. Thanks for having me. I don't like actors' chairs. I like to really do the real thing instead of acting. One of my platforms is actually to grow minority and women-owned businesses in terms of the participation within the MWBE program. Over the last several years, it's been stagnant at approximately 3.1%. I also looked at the state MWBE program, which they do approximately 9.6% with aggressive plans to move it to 20%. So I looked at New York City. Again, it's been stagnant. So I'm saying to myself, wow, you have a great plan, but no one's utilizing it. So I think we need to enhance our outreach program to minority and women-owned businesses within the city, make sure they have a less bureaucratic process in terms of to apply. When I looked at it, I said, well, you know, there's the same hurdles for small business as large businesses. And if you're a small business owner, and I've consulted many small businesses, they spend the majority of their time actually running and operating their business. They don't have a staff of attorneys, a staff of, a lot of business people to handle the RFP process. So we have to streamline bureaucracy to make sure they can actually apply and participate. And I think there's a direct correlation to the unemployment rate. I think we can drastically reduce the minority and, I should say, the Black and Hispanic unemployment rate in the city. Generally, our unemployment rate is 7.5%, which is at par with the nation. When we look at the Black and Hispanic unemployment rate in the city, which not too many of the mayoral candidates are really talking about, it's nearly 14%, nearly double the national average. So I think by increasing greater participation in MWE programs, we can aggressively reduce that unemployment rate.
So, Mr. Burnett,